Hey there, my name's Kalani, and welcome to my channel Outside with Lonnie Shots. It's been more than a year since I've gone on a solo camping trip, and I've decided to take you guys along with me. Enjoy. Just realized I didn't bring any paper towels. I think I should probably put the rain fly on. I don't think it's supposed to rain anymore today, but that thunder sounds like it means business. All right, you gonna check out the weather with me? Let's see. Light rain for the next hour. Okay. So yeah. Okay, fly's going on. Let's do that. I'm gonna go ahead and get the inside of the tent set up. That way that's all ready to go. And then I'm gonna make dinner. You guys probably can't see me because the sun is right there. Okay. I removed half of the rain fly, so that way I could have a really nice view, and hopefully it won't rain anymore, and hopefully the wind won't blow too much and put water inside the tent. But I'm really happy to be here. All right, let's get this party started. Oh no, did I leave it? I brought my bear with me. Yes, I am 41 years old, but this is the bear I've had since, I think, before I could talk. Her name's Ginger. Hi. I don't sleep with her anymore because I have a husband. But I don't know if you notice in my videos, you can always see like a little piece of her in the corner at the top of the video because she's sitting on my shelf. But anyway, it's just me tonight, so I figured I'd have a companion. Just realized, oh my gosh, I just realized that I left my journal at home. Boo. Dang, that sucks. Okay. So cute. stomach's over here making all these weird noises. I said, I'm ready to eat. Absolutely. It's looking good. It's about to go down, y'all. Don't know if my steak is done yet, but I'm gonna try it. Ooh. Oh, it looks so pretty. Mm. I don't know if this is ready. I feel like it's bleeding. Okay. I mean, it's a little pink inside. Just a little bit. Let's see. Okay. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna even eat all of this. Mmm. So, excuse me, I don't know if you heard me tell my husband, but I accidentally left a book that I wanted to read, and actually 2 books that I wanted to read, and my journal at home, and I'm so sad about it. Because that's one of the things that I like to do is like get in the hammock and read. Oh. But it is what it is, and I think I'm gonna look at it as an opportunity to really talk to my higher power. Yeah, but I did put the steak back on the grill. It's probably too cooked now. It absolutely is. And I got the wrong steak. I was supposed to grab a ribeye, and I grabbed the one next to the one that said ribeye. Ugh. It's all good though. That's fire right there. That's beautiful. Okay, hopefully you can see me okay. What time is it right now? It is 8:47 p.m. and I'm in my tent. Like I said, I didn't bring anything with me, so I might watch something on my phone. But I'm probably just gonna relax and try to listen to the bugs and not the kids that I hear yelling. Anyway, I'm glad I'm here. You know what time it is? It's coffee time. There's a red robin on my car. I hope the bird comes back. I don't know what he was doing, or she. He was really trying to get in my car. Oh, okay. Whew. I've enjoyed my time here. It's definitely different because I didn't bring some of the things that I normally bring, but it's still nice to kind of just be silent every now and then. Yeah. So I left the hammock up last because when my husband and I were dating and we would go camping, we would always leave the hammock up till the very end. And right before we would leave, we would sit in the hammock and just talk about our experience and life, whatever we wanted to talk about. But it would be like our last thing that we would do before we were officially gone from the campsite. So I decided I would do that today in honor of him. So yeah, we'll be going on a camping trip together in, I don't know, maybe about a month or so. Yeah, I think in about a month. I don't know if I'm gonna record with him just because I like him to have his privacy. You know, everybody doesn't want to be on the internet. But we'll see. I'll see what I can do. But yeah. Some things that I learned from this trip, especially since it's been so long. I need to create my camping checklist. It is dumbfounding how many things I left at home. Even things that I set aside to bring that still did not end up in the Jeep. So anyway, I gotta make a checklist. I also have to get some more string lights because we used to have some, but then they broke, and I don't have any more. And not only do I just like it for when I'm out here at night, because it just adds a little more like ambiance, it also looks pretty in videos. So I need to get some of those. I'm listening to the sermon. Ooh, title, the freedom we find in what we leave behind. Anyway, I am about to pack up. If you stayed to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you back here. Maybe not at this campsite, but back on the channel next week.